This is the replacement belt that I used, Gates Micro V, for my 2013 Toyota Yaris. I'm going to replace my belt on my Toyota Yaris, and it's really tight quarters in here. We have the crank, and we have the water pump, the air conditioner, and the alternator that we need to wrap the belt around. I'm going to start off with using a 12mm socket here on the alternator to loosen the belt up. So there's also a 14mm, looks like it's a bolt at the end, at the bottom of the alternator. It's a booger to get to, and it was very, very tight. So I'll try to show you what I have so far. I have it around the air conditioner unit and down there underneath over on the crank. That's what I've done so far. So I did the crank first, and then I did the air conditioner unit. So this was a heck of a job getting that belt around everything. I did have some success though. What I did is I went around the air conditioner crank first, and then I was able to pull it up underneath the motor mount here, and I used these pliers to reach in here like so, and I grabbed that belt and was able to pull it around the alternator and then tighten the alternator up. So that's how I did it, and it was a heck of a job. By the way, I cut myself pretty good here and there on some of these tabs. There's some real sharp connections here. You got to be careful.